Alright guys, it's been a while since I've made a video, and today I'm gonna do something that is kind of different. This is gonna be a simple application of magnetic IDEX. So what have we been up to? We've been printing these picture frames for my wife's art. She'll be presenting in a local library this week. So you can see I've got a bunch of 8 by 8, 12 by 8, 12 by 12, 12 by 16, 16 by 16, every imaginable size. So the unique thing about these frames is that it's basically toolless. The frame consists of a corner that you may have seen me printing already, and then a straight segment, and it's all a vase mode print or spiral print, and it comes together much like a rifle would, just slides together. So we're gonna put this picture frame in. Oh, and it keys in here, so I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see it on camera. It slides in right into the frame so that there's nothing extra, no hardware to hold it. So let's complete this assembly, and I'm going to, well, let's see. That's our finished picture frame. So what I do next is just use this tab. Again, that's also a vase mode print, but I drilled a hole through it. And we'll wire it around in this channel here. And that's it. Let's see if I can do that on camera. I have a broken piece of wire. I'll start with the thin wire. This is flower wire, or whatever they're called. It's rated only to 6 pounds, so I can't really over tighten these things, otherwise they tear. But I take this flag, slide it on, wrap it around, and we're almost done. Sorry for the camera shake. Let's move this over. This piece of wire I over tightened when I was doing a 8 by 10, so it snapped on me, but I can easily assemble this one. So after I've pre-tightened it a little bit, I kind of tension the wire this way, and then I'm able to just continue, and usually I'll just grab it with a pair of pliers and twist it. I really wanted to get the picture wire or a stranded wire, and I ripped it. So much for a nice video. So I just need to get better wire or be careful not to snap it like I just did. Yeah, so this isn't ideal wire. Ideally it would be multi-stranded, and that would be the end of it. But I love this dog, and I just love my wife's art, and I'm happy that I was able to print a bunch of frames for this upcoming show. That's it for now. Stay tuned for more. Bye.